Sound waves traveling through the air or other mediums sometimes affect the objects that they encounter. Particles vibrate at a specific frequency for each source called its natural frequency. Occasionally, objects vibrating at their natural frequencies will cause resonance. Resonance is when objects with the same natural frequency as the vibrating source begins to vibrate. These principles can be explained by this exhibit found at the Ontario Science Centre created by the artist Wenying Tsai. The visual effect results from a combination of movement, light, and sound. The stainless steel rods are set on a platform vibrating at a constant rate of about 30 cycles a second. This rate of vibration cannot be varied, but the frequency of the strobe flashes can. A microphone connected to the strobe picks up sounds such as a shout or a clap, which are then amplified and used to change the flash frequency. Sometimes the effects of resonance can be powerful. In this case, resonance cracked the wall. Resonance does not happen very often and only affects objects close to the vibrating source, but that does not mean that it is impossible. In 1940, the collapse of Tacoma Narrows Bridge in the U.S. state of Washington was quite a shock to people. For that, mechanical resonance is to be blamed. Mechanical resonance is the tendency of a mechanical system to absorb more energy when the frequency of its oscillations matches the system's natural frequency of vibration. It may cause violent swaying motions and even catastrophic failure in improperly constructed structures, including bridges, buildings, and airplanes, a phenomenon known as resonance disaster. A cello has four strings which are tuned in fifths, starting with A3 followed by D3, G2, and then C2. We know that a string vibrates with a particular fundamental frequency, but it is possible to produce pitches with different frequencies from the same string. The four properties of the string that affect its frequency are length, diameter, density, and tension. Tension refers to how tightly the string is stretched. Tightening the string gives it a higher frequency while loosening lowers the frequency. This is the only property of the string that the player herself can change to produce different pitches. She was probably having a bad day, which is why she chose to crack up her wall.